What's up everybody, I'm Brian from iWantTesla, and today I've got a really cool product from Handchill that's really easy to install, and it's going to light up your life. Well, not really. It's going to light up something. It's the light up door sills for the Model Y and the Model 3. It's really cool for the front and the back. So I've installed them on the driver's side. I'm going to show you how to install them on the passenger side, but let me show you what they look like first. This is going to be a short, quick video because this stuff is really easy to install. I showed these on my Christmas video. These are really cool light up door sills, but what I really like about these is, well, obviously there's nothing in the back that comes factory, so this is just one that bolts right on, or not bolts right on, there's just two little tabs there. But since it's kind of curved there, I'm going to show you a little trick to get it into the right spot and get it to the flat spot. This one here is the front one, but they've recessed this so it fits over the factory one, which is really cool because there's other companies that make these things or something similar that you have to remove the factory piece, which is a nightmare getting all that glue up and scraping it all off. It sucks. I wouldn't do that. This is really nice. Right here is where you end up placing this piece for the sensor to turn on and off. And I'll show you all this, how to install it. They also come in the brushed stainless, or the stainless steel look, and I have a set of the Model Y ones for that as well. I'm putting on the black ones because I like the black ones, the way they look, but they're actually not fully black. They're a brushed, almost like a pinstriped black, which is really cool, in my opinion, because if you do, I mean, these are kick plates. You're going to scrape them, your foot's going to hit them, and you're going to get some scratches on them. This way, the scratches won't show up if you have like a piano black. Remember the piano black interior of the car everyone complained about? It looks really good when it's clean, but it shows all the scratches and all the nicks and fingerprints and things like that. These won't show them as bad. So let's move over to the car, and I'm going to show you how to install these. So we're going to start with the back one first because it's a little bit more tricky because there's nothing there. So you end up getting a primer kit and a primer just pack, and really all you're doing is wiping down the door sill here, getting all the, well, first you kind of want to wipe the dirt off, but then you end up taking this and you end up wiping it down. You can probably use alcohol as well, rubbing alcohol, not like a Corona or lime or anything, although lime would probably clean it. But you just want to wipe this down and clean this off really good. Now we're going to use that for the front, or probably by the time I get to the front it's not going to be usable. But you take this, you leave the plastic still on. So you're going to have this on here, and when you set this here, there's a kind of a flat spot that you can feel. Right about there is a flat spot, and you know, it's not fully flat because this does curve a little bit too much, but you'll be able to tell as you move it back and forth. And that's why you leave the plastic on it. But before you do that, I'm going to get two pieces of tape, and then I'm going to find that spot again. And right about there. And then I'm going to put these at that angle. So I know where to put this piece down again. Now all you have to do is pull the tape off of this, or the plastic off of the tape. It's really, really easy. And if you had to replace the batteries, they're right behind this in here. There's just two flat batteries. But then we're just going to line this up. And this door's in the way. It kind of makes it weird. But you just line this up and make it straight. And force it down. Sorry, I'm getting really close to you. In the packet, you also have these round wheels. And we're going to peel one of them off. And with the adhesive side up, we put it over the rubber or the foam gasket here, or the foam sticker. And we close the door. And when we open the door again, that foam piece is gone. And guess where it went? It went underneath the door. Let me show you. It went right there. It stuck right to here, and that's going to let us know where we need to put this. This is the magnet, or this is the metal piece that tells this when it's there, it's off. When it's not there, it's on. So we take this one, and the adhesive side's on the black side, and we go underneath here, and we put it in there, in the hole. Now you can take this foam piece off at this point or not. I'm just going to leave it on there because it doesn't matter. Just in case it falls off, I still know where it is. And then we go back to here and we just remove all the tape. And you see it's timed. And then we pull this off and it looks really nice. Clean up all of our mess. We close the door. As we open the door, you see it lights up. Of course, there's the puddle light on the car, but this also lights up as well. That door's done. Then we move on to the front, and the front's even easier. So the cool part about this side, the front side, is it's recessed so it fits directly over this. And you really can't go wrong. Once you get this on there, it doesn't really move. It actually locks down over top of this once you have it. So you really can't mess this part up. So we pull the tape. And I'm sure someone's going to ask, what if the batteries run out? Well, you can pull this back off and replace the batteries and then just get some new tape, double-sided tape, and it sticks right down. Super easy to replace if you had to, and it even tells you before you even do anything what size batteries to get. So now that the alcohol is pretty much dry, we're going to grab this corner, force it down. Oh, man. All right, and that's locked in place. And we do the same exact thing with the donut. Put it over top of this foam. Move the camera. And I'm gonna slam the door on you. As we open the door back up, that round thing is gone. And then we just need to replace it with the magnet, or put the magnet in where the donut is. So same thing as before, I put the donut, or put the metal piece in the donut, then peel this off. That looks really clean, really nice. And we check out our work. Open the door, it lit up. So now I've closed the garage door, turned off the lights in the garage, and this is what it's going to look like when you open the door. Go to open the door. Now we have a puddle light, and it says Model Y. That looks so sick, so cool. And now even in the back, it says Model Y in the back now. Is so cool with the puddle lights, and if you had the Tesla T lights back here, that would look even better because it would be Tesla Model Y. So now I've got all four of them installed. It took me maybe 20 minutes total to do all four, and that's even with filming. So super easy install. Get yours today. Use my code to save some money. Again, it's from Handshow. You get everything you need in the kit. Rear ones and the front ones for the Model 3 and Model Y. I'm not sure if they do this for the Model S or not. I should probably contact them and see if they do something, because I think that'd be cool to say Tesla Model S and plaid on the back seat. Hey Henshaw, let's work on that. They watch my videos, so again, customize your car. Make it look different from everyone else's. Don't just look like everyone else's car. You know, there's only 5 colors. Make yours stand out. You don't have to go with like glow-in-the-dark green. You do little things. Little things make a difference. As always, stay awesome, stay positive. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.